something is starting. Oh wow, my little pony, my little pony, my little ponytails. My little pony, my little pony, my little ponytails. Schoolhouse is our very first stop. Then let's try the ice cream shop. My little pony, my little pony, my little ponytails. My little pony, my little pony, my little ponytails. Starlight, sweetheart, melody, bright eyes, patch and clover, bonbons, baking cookies, girls, hurry up on over. My little pony, my little pony, my little ponytails. My little pony, my little pony, my little ponytails. My little ponytails.
Hold on! We'll be right back! We're back! In time for My Little Ponytails! Hey, let's rock!
Oh, you hi!
All right, order, everybody! The meeting will come to order.
Okay, now, any new business?
Yes, I have something that could be of extreme importance. Anyone recognize what this is?
It's a green-winged songbird.
That's correct, Clover. Have you ever actually seen one?
No,
They used to be all over Ponyland, but nobody's seen one for years.
How come? Where'd they all go?
I don't think anyone really knows. Nobody knows if they even still exist.
It's so weird that such a pretty bird would just vanish. It's so sad.
Don't worry, sweetheart. I'm gonna see if I can do something about it. I'm very grateful you chose to come along with me to search for the green wing. So, where do you suppose we should look first?
How come it's so blank where the old woods are? That must be because no one's ever been there before.
If no one's ever been in the old woods, perhaps we'll find the long-lost green wings there.
Yeah, we'll be real explorers. What now?
Just figuring out the best way to the old woods. Let's see. My Pony Scout's compass and my excellent sense of direction tell me it's this way.
You know, I think we just lost something.
What's that?
The trail.
Yep, that means we're in the old woods, all right. Uncharted territory.
Wow, everything kind of looks the same, except that rock formation.
And that isn't even on the map.
Hey, that sounds kind of like...
Bees! Run! Let's get out of here!
Are we going the right way?
Who cares?
Bonbon, they're going after your hat! Oh no!
That was my favorite hat! Looks like it was the bees' favorite hat, too.
Anybody have any idea where we are?
Oh, I knew it. We're lost. And they only brought a week's supply of food.
I'm gonna sit right here and not move until somebody tells me where we are.
Bonbon, I'll tell you where you are. You're sitting in nettles.
Oh no! It itches!
Hold on. My Pony Scout manual says what to do for something like this. Here.
What are you doing? First nettles and now mud? You'll have to hold still.
But I hate being dirty!
There.
Oh, just look at me. I'm a mess.
But I'll bet you don't itch anymore.
Hey, you're right. It worked. I better write this in my diary.
Ace, does your Pony Scout manual give any tricks for getting unlost?
Yeah. Okay, here's what we gotta do. If we can get to the top of a tall tree, we can look down on the woods and see where we are.
Sounds like a plan to me. Come on.
I still don't like this idea.
But it's a marvelous view. We can see almost all of the old woods.
Yeah, trees and more trees. That Pony Scout manual might be good for Nettles, but not so good for figuring out where you are.
Oh no! I'm out of food! Now we're all gonna starve!
How did you eat a whole week's supply of food in one afternoon?
Easy. I was hungry. Hey, I read a book once called Wilderness Ponies about these pioneer ponies who lived on fish and stuff.
Excellent idea.
And I have some emergency fishing line in my Pony Scout survival kit. We just need some bait.
Bon Bon, are you sure you don't have any food left that we can use for bait?
No! Really? Well, I do have my one little emergency candy bar for use only in super emergencies.
Thank you. This is a super emergency.
Don't mention it.
There certainly should be some fish in that stream. We'll have lunch in no time at all. See? I hooked one.
Hang on, Bright Eyes.
Here, let me handle this.
I guess I better go rescue them if we're gonna have any lunch.
Everyone all right?
Yeah, but where'd our fish go?
Oh no, it got away!
Guess we better try again.
Hey, I think I got it. Let's see.
I wonder who caught whom.
Wow, it's just like the Wilderness Ponies.
All right, let's have lunch.
Aw, he's so cute and so sad.
We can't eat him.
Put him back, Ace.
We're gonna starve for sure. And no one will ever find us for years and years.
Anyone have any good ideas?
I'm writing my great farewell, just in case anyone ever finds my diary, which I'm sure no one ever will.
Bon Bon, don't move. It's a green-winged songbird.
Wow, so pretty.
Let's follow it. At least we can find out where it lives.
And if there are any more.
Oh, look, baby.
There's a song in the air in the forest. Birds are singing as they're ringing here and there. Could it be the scenery, the brilliant forest greenery? Is that why there's music everywhere? There's a beautiful sound in the forest. Birds are tweeting out their greeting loud and strong. There is nowhere to be found something sweeter than the sound of nature's own sweet song. Birds feel safe and at home in the forest. They feel right there 'cause they're right where they belong. There's no way to recreate, to replace or imitate nature's own sweet song. Nature's own sweet song.
No wonder there are so few green wings left. The old woods have almost all been cut down. Well, now we know why, and now we can do something about it.
But how are you gonna do anything if we can't even find our way home? Hey! My diary!
We need it!
No! It's mine!
Don't you see? The way home is right here, in your diary.
Huh?
You've been writing everything down, right? Every turn, every mistake, right?
Yeah?
So all we have to do is follow your diary backwards and we'll find our way home.
Bright Eyes is right. Give me that.
No! This is still personal and private. Nobody reads it but me.
Okay, then you read it to us. You can be our guide all the way home.
Okay. Oh, all right. We are going past this little stream for about 50 paces, then turning left at a big rock.
Goodbye, green-winged songbirds. We'll help you all we can as soon as we get home.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? My special congratulations to Bright Eyes, who never stopped believing that the green-winged songbird could be found. Because of her and her friends, we now know how to save the green-wings by preserving their home in the old woods. As mayor of Ponyland, the Ponyland Council and I have voted to make the old woods a protected wildlife area, never to be touched again. Thank you. Kids, I think a Pony of the Month award is in order for each of you.
Hey, Pat! What? It's time for a commercial. Hey, sweetheart, commercial's over. It's safe to come out now. Gotcha!
There she is, Clover. There's your sister.
Hi, Meadowlark. Hi, darling.
Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Hi, Clover.
Oh, isn't she beautiful?
Yeah, beautiful.
And famous, too.
Tell us about your plans for next year. How long is the tour?
Is Cheval going to be the prince?
Where do you go from here, Meadowlark?
It's an honor just to be part of the company, and I hope you'll all enjoy our performance of the Nutcracker. Please excuse me. I want to say hello to my family. Oh, Mom, it's good to be home. I missed you so much.
We missed you too, dear.
You look great, honey.
Thanks, Dad. Hi, sis.
Hi.
How's the budding ballerina?
Meadowlark!
Yeah, Meadowlark, can we get a shot over here?
Look to the camera, please. Over here. She's graceful, she's charming, she's poetry in motion, and confident as can be. My faults are all so glaring, there's no way of comparing. She's so much better than me. The difference between us is wider than an ocean. My friends tell me endlessly. Sometimes it's hard concealing this awful jealous feeling. She's so much better than me. Why aren't I the one with talent? Why can't I dance as well as her? Imagine knowing you're the best, blessed with looks and all the rest. Oh, if I only were. I doubt if she suspects it or has the slightest notion how I am in misery. Her talents keep on growing, while I'm left stuck with knowing it's plain for the world to see. She's so much better than me.
It wasn't that long ago that I first started taking ballet lessons from Madame Percheron, just like you. So I encourage you to keep practicing. Oh, and I want to thank you all for being our understudies for the Nutcracker. Remember, today's understudy is tomorrow's star.
Merci beaucoup, Meadowlark. Thank you for visiting with us. And now, mes petites ponies, let us show Meadowlark what we have learned. Mademoiselle Moonbeam, Mademoiselle Peach Blossom, Mademoiselle Clover. Mademoiselle Clover?
You okay?
It is usual, mon petite Clover, to land on one's feet following a jeté.
I'm sorry, Madame Percheron. It'll never happen again.
I expect not.
So what's the deal, Clover? What part are you playing in the show?
The Harlequin. That's the clown, but I'm just the understudy. What's an understudy? That means I don't perform unless something happens to the real Harlequin.
What if something does happen and you do have to go on?
Aren't you nervous?
Are you scared?
Excuse me, I gotta go. I didn't realize what time it was.
Wash and learn, mes petites ponies.
No, 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 Cheval! More expression, again!
Oh, dear.
You are late!
Sorry.
We have work to do. Let me see the Harlequins, please.
My ankle, it's twisted.
How could you hurt yourself the day before the show? What am I going to... You!
Me?
Of course you! You are the understudy for the Harlequin, yes?
Well, uh-huh.
As of this moment, you are no longer the understudy. You are the Harlequin.
I am? Oh...
Oh, Clover, dear, you have no idea how happy your father and I are for you. This is so exciting.
That's right, honey. You will be a marvelous Harlequin. I am sure of it.
I agree with Cheval. You were born for the part.
Exactly. I'm nothing but a clown, and I'll probably dance like one, and everyone will laugh at me.
Oh, I'd better see if she's all right.
Mom, it's okay. It's just a case of stage fright. She'll get over it.
I can't possibly go on. What am I gonna do?
Now, listen carefully, class. If it takes 5 ponies 5 days to make 5 boxes, how many days would it take them to make 50 boxes? Let's see, Clover, do you know the answer? Clover, did you hear me? She's talking to you.
Me?
Your name is Clover, isn't it?
Is it?
Are you trying to be funny?
Clover, that was terrific! The old amnesia trick. I love it. What's amnesia?
That's when you forget who you are.
You are beautiful, Clove. Wish I'd have thought of it last time Miss Hackney nailed me for not doing my homework.
But I'm not pretending.
You're really truly not?
My mind is a blank.
Here we are, home sweet home.
Whose home is this?
It's yours, Clover, your very own.
If you say so.
I think we better take her inside.
Well, hello, everybody. What a nice surprise.
Are you my sister?
What? Clover has amnesia.
I think I know what's wrong. I was scared silly too the first time I danced on stage before an audience. They practically had to carry me out there. I was desperately afraid I'd make a fool of myself. But once I started dancing, everything was fine. So I really know how you feel. I know it's harder for you because of me, but just be yourself. That's all anyone really expects. It's a shame you won't be there tonight. It would have been a great chance for you to find out just how good you are. Some ponies never get that chance.
One minute, everyone! 1 minute!
I don't know if I can do it, Madame Percheron. I was supposed to be a snowflake, not the Harlequin.
I understand, mon petit Moonbeam. Just do the best you can.
Places, everyone, places! 30 seconds till curtain, 30 seconds!
I'm so sorry we won't be seeing Clover.
I know, but at least we'll get to see Meadowlark.
She's absolutely
What did you expect? She's your daughter.
Madam Percheron! Madam Percheron!
Clover!
Oh, Madam, please give me another chance. Let me be the Harlequin, please.
Well, I do not know. Moonbeam has already...
It's okay, really, I don't mind.
In that case, we had better hurry.
Thanks, Moonbeam, I owe you one.
It's Clover!
I think that's Clover.
Why, you're right, dear.
I knew you could do it, Clover! I knew it!
Thanks, sis.
What's that there? Looks like a commercial. Let's check it out.
Something is starting right now. Something is starting. Oh wow, My Little Pony, My Little Pony, My Little Pony Tales. My Little Pony, My Little Pony, My Little Pony Tales. Schoolhouse is our very first stop. Then let's try the ice cream shop. My Little Pony, My Little Pony, My Little Pony Tales. My Little Pony, My Little Pony, My Little Pony Tales. Starlight, sweetheart, melody, bright eyes, patch and clover, bonbons, baking cookies, girls, hurry up on